What's up, guys? Real quick video today. Hope y'all are doing well. This is a question I get a lot. A subscriber sent this one to me. It's a really easy fix. Sometimes you'll have an object, right? And you'll try to run a simple Boolean in here. So, run your Boolean however you want. And you might think it's going to cut, but when you cut, nothing happened. It gets this really weird glitch going on. Reason that's happening is because you have duplicates of your object. So you're cutting one, it actually is cutting, but you might have multiple duplicates in your scene. So just delete out however many duplicates you have, and you should be good to go. Now, this is a pretty meaningless explanation if I don't actually explain why this happens. So sometimes, let me start a new scene here, or just delete this. Sometimes when you're running a slice operation, let's say we have a cube, for example, and we come in here and run a simple slice. Press the X key. You can run a slice however you want. But whenever you run a slice, it actually shares the same base data between both pieces. This is still a cube, and this is still a cube, right? So if we were to, just leave it as it is, you can cut fine. But sometimes you might delete out your Boolean, and what happens is it basically makes a duplicate, right? If I delete out both these Booleans, we would end up having two cubes because the slice operation still retains that base mesh. So if you ever run into an issue like that, it's probably because you ran a slice and deleted one of your Booleans without applying it, so that is why that happens.